Charlie, and I am finding absolute zero for my science project. So, right here, we have this flask in the water, and then we're gonna boil the water, so that the air inside will get warmer, and then we'll put the cork in it, not the cork, whatever that is, the plug we made, and then we'll put that in it, and then we'll do the next part. So, the most important safety rule of all is to wear these safety glasses. Okay, so this is my table. So once that's done boiling, I'm gonna record the temperature in there, and I'm gonna put it in the first one, and then I'm gonna put it in here, and then I'm gonna record the temperature in here and put that on temperature number 2. And then once I'm gonna flip it upside down, and I'm gonna take the stopper out, and then I'm gonna let the water go in, put it back in, and then once I measure in here, I'll write that down, and then I pour all that water away, and then I fill the thing up with water to figure out how much water there was in there, pour it in here, and then I write that down on volume 1, and then I take the amount that I got the first time, and I subtract that from volume 1, and I get volume 2. And then I plot that on a graph, and then I connect the 2 points, and then I'm good.
Charlie,
What?
safety glasses.
Oh, yeah. Okay, so now we have to put the plug in and take it out. And I cannot be trusted with this stuff, so my dad is going to put the plug in. That's when you did it in the water. I'm very unimpressed. Okay, so now it's 210 degrees. The reason it's not 212 degrees is if it was 212 degrees, then that would be at sea level. But we're not at sea level, so it's 210 degrees. So now I gotta write the thing. Oh, this is so annoying. That's in pen and this is in pencil. 210 degrees. Oh shoot. 98.9 degrees. I forgot I'm not allowed to use real measurements. 98.9. You need to be very exact. Okay. So now if we just take this out, we put that in there, which I cannot be trusted again. So my dad was going to take it out and then he's gonna put it in there. Okay, it was just like not 84 degrees Celsius. I'm beginning to not trust that. Okay, so now it's like, so now I want to get as close to 0 as we can. It's on this side because it's Celsius, because again, we're not allowed to use real measurements. The temperature, it's 0.7 degrees. 0.7. Well, that timer is done. So now I gotta pull the thing out. Gotta pull the plug out. Now I might cry. Oh my God. Oh. Okay. So then, ow. So I'm gonna pull the plug out, and it's hard because it's sucking in because the air is less dense. So it's gonna create a vacuum. See?
No.
And then the water goes in. Okay, so now I can put it back in. I can put it back in.
Okay, here's the. Hold it right there at the same level.
I can't.
Okay.
Alright. So now I gotta take this out. And take it out. Oh, stop. It's not funny. I can do it. Told you. Haha, don't you feel like a fool? That's weird. That's weird. Yep.
Get as much of the water out as you can.
38 milliliters, because it's 38.
Same.
So now it's 38. And I just gotta. Yay! Why do I do this to myself? Oh, that's good. Okay. So this is the milliliters. 150 milliliters. 150 minus 38. 2, 4, 12. 112. This is so. I'm gonna make a fraction. Here's a line. And we gotta do data point 1, for the volume temperature 1 minus temperature 2 is 98.2. Graduated cylinder when you did it the first time. It's 38. So 98.2 and then 38 over 98.2. Now you type in y equals, and it's 38 over 98.2. So 38 98.2 x. Here's it is. It's between 200. It's close to 300, so that's good. You can just click on this line, then once negative 288.731. So that's what we got. Are you recording?